Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Kamal Properties Realty Experts. I am Tanish Batra, Realty Expert and CEO of Kamal Properties. So Kamal Properties is where we bring you all the valuable insights and the best properties and opportunities of Delhi and NCR. So सबसे पहले आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से धन्यवाद एंड शुक्रिया अदा कि आपने मेरी पहली दो वीडियोस को 1000+ व्यूज पे पहुंचा दिया और 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स मेरे इस चैनल पे पूरे हो गए. सो थैंक यू ऑल एंड लव यू ऑल फॉर दैट थिंग. आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आया हूं एक बहुत ही प्राइम लोकेशन की कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी विच इज सिचुएटेड इन सेक्टर 39 गुरुग्राम. Property is located right opposite to Medanta Hospital, Gurugram, a perfect spot for business looking for seamless connectivity and high visibility. This particular corner property offers a building plan approval of basement stilt plus 4 floors, having a carpet area of 2800 square feet per floor, and it also comes with a custom construction offer which can fit all your business needs. So if you are an MNC, a hotel, a running clinic or any other retail brand, this property will fit the best for you, ensuring the maximum footfall and the best accessibility for your business. डिस्कस करते हैं इस प्रॉपर्टी के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. So the plot size is 368 square yards, corner plot, and it comes with a green belt too. Bang on 30 meters wide road, just opposite to Medanta Hospital. And अगर हम इसकी बात करें स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, तो जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था अभी, it comes with a plan of basement stilt plus 4 floors. And the stilt parking area ensures ample car parking space for visitors as well as the staff, and the construction can be customized according to the lessee's requirement. Location की highlights के बारे में, number 1, it is just opposite to Medanta Hospital. Number 2, very close proximity to NH8 as well as the new metro route. Number 3, 250 meters away from the upcoming IKEA, ensuring high rental value. 4th, surrounded by posh residential colonies, ensuring high footfall. And the number 5, densely populated and high visibility, ensuring the maximum business growth. हम बात करेंगे इस प्रॉपर्टी की लीज डिटेल्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में. सो नंबर 1, लीज ऑप्शंस. इसमें हमारे पास दो तरह के लीज ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं, शॉर्ट टर्म एज वेल एज लॉन्ग टर्म. सेकेंडली, कस्टमाइजेशन. तो जो इंटीरियर का पार्ट है ना स्ट्रक्चर बनने के बाद, वो वी कैन कस्टमाइज अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द लेसी. Number 3, rental price. It can be negotiated as per the lessee's requirement. Last and the most important point, availability. Right now, this particular plot is under construction and can be tailored, customized according to your needs. Guys. Property matches your business requirements. DM us right now or call me on this given mobile number to schedule a private visit to this particular property, and I will be the most honored person to host you guys. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Kamal Properties Realty Experts. So see you soon again guys. Bye bye and have a great day ahead.